welcome back to our channel. So today in this video we are going to discuss about how you can fix third-party plugin or application error on Call of Duty on BlueStacks. So without wasting much of our time, let's get straight into the video. So if you are getting this kind of message on your mobile application or your BlueStack, then it usually means the game has detected software it considers suspicious or against its policy. So to fix it, you need to simply update the BlueStack and the COD Mobile game. So if it does not work, then switch to the BlueStacks X or Nougat 64-bit. So if you're going to do this, it can also solve the error somehow, or you can disable the Hyper-V and other virtualization conflicts in Windows. Other than this, you can also clean app data or reinstall that particular app and check for some background problems that are getting detected through virus scanners. I hope you found this video helpful, so don't forget to hit that subscribe button and to give us a thumbs up. We will be back again with more informative videos. Thank you for watching.